Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Derek Turnbow from Stranger Things Season 5. So we start in the center page with the cheeks. And let's leave a large gap in the center. We're going to move over toward the left. We're going to bend this up and then down towards the side. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then down. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the cheeks. So on the left side, I'm going to step in. I want to draw a circle going up towards the top and then down on the inside. So we have a little bit of an overlap on both sides. On the top left side of each eye, let's draw a circle coming in or highlight. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. And we want to go around those highlights. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw the frame of the glasses going around. Starting from the outside, then it's up, and then down, line it up on the right. Now from the inside, I'm just going to bend this down and then out towards the bottom. Let's go to the outside, goes around and then in. I'm just going to flatten off the bottom with a slight curve. Now we want to draw the outside of the frame. Starting from the left, we're going to follow that curve coming in. Do the same thing on the right. Connect these two lines with a curve in the middle. On the ends, we're going to add a bump, out and then in toward the side. Let's continue tracing the frame down towards the bottom and then the inside. And we'll close off the center with another curve. Now in between the glasses across the bottom, let's add in the nostrils. From the left side, we're going to bend this down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's connect the ends with a curve in the middle, and then go up to the top and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw the mouth, going up and then down. We'll add a bracket coming down along the sides. And then in the center, draw a short line going across the lip. Let's go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From this point, curve the cheeks, coming around, come in towards the middle, go all the way around to the right side, and then tuck that in. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a chin, coming down, then up. Let's go back to the side and draw in the ears, going out and then in. Let's add a fold across the top, and then on the inside, add a hook. Let's go to the top of the glasses, draw the edge of the hair, coming in and then up towards the top, and then close out the top with another curve. Now we want to close out the side of the head. From this point, we're going to go across and then down. Now let's draw on the top of the hair. From the left side, we're going to bend this out and then in, step down, going up and then down. I'm just going to add these bumps going across the top of the hair. Now right here, we're going to fold this down, step up, add another fold, and then one more time in towards the side of the head. Now I want to add some texture across the base of the hair. Starting right in the middle, bend this out and up, step down, add another curve, continue out toward the side. Now we can go back and start to bend this out toward the left. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to add the cheeks, bend this down and then out on either side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the inside edge of the vest, starting on the left, bend this out and then down on the left side, and then the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top. We're going to curve the collar, going up and then out. And goes up and in underneath the head. Let's go back down to the bottom, curve the vest, going out and up towards the side. Bend this up and then in underneath the collar. For the inside corner of the vest, let's step up and add another curve for the bottom of the sweater. Go up to the top, add a small curve for the collar. Let's add a trim around the collar. I'm going to add some thick stripes going across. Let's start with one line across the top, and then add a couple more coming down. From the center of the body, we're going to step down, add a curve, going across. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and then up towards the outside of the feet. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel, and then we'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. We're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot, so we're just going to trace that same curve across the top. From the outside of the foot, add a toe cap coming in and then down. Now halfway along this curve, we're going to go up and then in towards the top of the foot. And then in this area, you're going to separate the laces with two curves coming down. Let's add a shoe tongue across the top. We're going to go up and then down with a half circle on both sides. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the leg. From the corner of the vest, step in, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now down here, add a curve for the edge of the shorts, coming in. And then from the inside of the shoe tongue, curve in across the socks, and continue along the outside. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arm. Let's start from the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down. From here, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. We're going to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the outside, and then bend that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we're going to separate the cuff from the thumb. We're going to go up and then out. And we're going to add some stripes going up the arm. We'll start with the left side. Just going to bend this in, and then just work our way up towards the top. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Derek Turnbow from Stranger Things Season 5. And if you want to try sketching out some Stranger Things characters, you can hop over to our Excel sketch channel. I post new lessons there every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.